Hello friends, today I am going to explain how to find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular and image of a point with respect to a line. Let us assume this line L1 is there, whose equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us assume one point P is there, whose coordinates are x1, y1. Then one perpendicular is drawn from the point P to the line L1, and the point where this perpendicular meets the line L1 is this point. Let us assume this point is P1. So the formula to find the coordinates of P1 is x minus x1 upon A is equal to y minus y1 upon B is equal to minus in the bracket ax1 plus by1 plus c bracket closed divide by a square plus b square. So we have to remember one thing here, the equation of line should be in the format of ax plus by plus c only, and from this format only we have to take the values of a, b and c. Okay. Next is, what is the image of the point P? It is like line L1 is the mirror for the point P. Then we extend this line, this perpendicular line to the point, let us assume P dash, where these both the angles are 90 degree, and these distances P, P1 and P1 P dash are same. So the coordinates of P dash would be x minus x1 upon A is equal to y minus y1 upon B is equal to minus 2 ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. So if we see these both the formulas are almost same, only difference is extra 2 is appearing for finding the coordinates of the image of the point. Okay, so by using these two formulas you can find the coordinates of the foot of a perpendicular and the image of the point, any point P, x1, y1. Okay, now we will do this question. Find the image of the point 3, 8 with respect to the line x plus 3y is equal to 7, assuming the line to be plane mirror. So to finding the coordinate of image, first we have to find the values of x1, y1, b, a, b and c. So x1, y1 is very clear, 3 and 8, because point given is 3, 8. So x1 y1 is x1 is 3, y1 is 8. A is equal to 1 because the coefficient of x is 1. B is equal to 3. This is the coefficient of y. C is equal to minus 7 because if we take this 7 to the left hand side, so this will become minus 7. So the value of C is minus 7. Now let us put all these values in the formula. X minus x1 divided by A is equal to y minus y1 divided by B is equal to minus 2. Ax1 is 3 plus by1 is 24 . So by1 is 24 plus C is equal to minus 7 divided by A square plus B square, that is 1 square plus 3 square. So this is equal to minus 2 into 24 plus 3, 27 minus 7 is 20 divided by 10. Okay, so 0 is cancelled out. So this will be x minus 3 is equal to y minus 8 by 3 is equal to minus 4. So the value of x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. So the coordinates of the image will be minus 1 and minus 4. So that is how we have to solve the questions. So this is very simple formulas. Okay. So if you have any doubt on this topic, please write in the comment box, or any other comment if you want to write, please give. Please subscribe the channel to get the information on the upcoming videos. And if you find this video is useful, then you please like it. Thank you.